Hello coders, welcome to the Introduction to Methods. Today we will be discussing creating methods. So let's begin by discussing what exactly is a method. Well, a method is a block of code that allows programmers to more efficiently write their programs. Oftentimes in programming, the same section or piece of code is repeated. To modularize the program and to make it more efficient, developers use methods. One example might be that, let's say you're writing a program for a calculator. So in this program, you might notice that you need to add two integers or add integers together multiple times. So instead of writing the same pieces of code each and every time to add the two integers, you can create a method. Let's say the method add. And whenever you call this method, you can add the two integers together. And this would effectively replace those lines of code that you would have to write otherwise. So there are four main components of a method: the method heading, the method name, the method parameters, and the method body. In blue over here is the method heading. This tells you what type of method you are creating. The method name in green, add print. This tells you the name of the method. This is useful for calling a method in another part of your code. Now, also useful whenever you call a method is the method parameters. This is shown in pink here. Whenever calling a method, you must use the parameters to give the method useful pieces of information that are used in the method body. The method body is shown in red and composes of all the code in between the curly brackets. Now there are two main types of methods: void methods and return methods. Void methods are methods that do not return a value, while return methods are methods that do. Now there are different ways of writing these types of methods. So when writing a void method, in the heading you need to state void, and this is right before your method name. In return methods, you do not use the keyword void. Instead, you use the keyword of the type of the return value in the header. So in the method body, you must have this return statement. So this means whenever you call this method is called add. Whenever you call this method, it will return the value a plus b. And depending on the type that you indicate in the method heading, in this example it's int or integer, whenever you call this method, it will return some integer. Now that's all for today. I hope you keep posted. Next time we'll talk about calling methods. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please feel free dropping by our Discord or asking any questions on our website.